Yo, what's going on YouTube? Back with another video. I know I haven't posted in a while, so here's just an update for you guys. I just purchased a new car. This thing is super gorgeous. It's comfortable, it's reliable, and just makes easy power. Yeah, I'm just super excited to show you guys. I will be documenting the whole build series on what I do to it, all the mods that I put on it. Yeah, I'm just super grateful to be driving it. Like, this thing is super fun to drive, and it's pretty quick in stock form. So I can just imagine when it's making 400 or 500 wheel, like, it's gonna be super super fast. At least for me, because I've never owned anything higher than like 300 horsepower. So I mean, I'm super super happy to just have this car. But yeah, without further ado, let me show you guys. So yeah, this is my 2018 BMW 340i, but eventually I'll make it my own and I'll mod it to how I like. I'll be recording that whole process and showing it to you guys through a few YouTube videos, hopefully within this next up and coming year. But yeah, I just got it a few days ago, so I haven't really done much to it other than kind of just clean it because it was super super dirty when I got it. Do have a spoiler in the back, a carbon fiber spoiler. I'm not sure what brand it is. I just picked it off of Facebook Marketplace because I needed something, man. Like, I need something on it. But this thing looks pretty clean, so let's see how it looks. So it'll look something like that. That looks pretty dope. Doesn't look too aggressive, but honestly, it's just the right amount of touch. It just looks nice. But yeah, man, that's my 2018 340i. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and just stay tuned for the next one. Peace.